place is so huge and creepy. I don't know why I came here in the first place. I guess my curiosity has really got the best of me. I don't know where I'm going. Maybe I should go there, or there, or... You know what? I'm heading this way. Huh. I have never seen this before. A red hand light, thing? I have no idea what this is. I guess I'll have to...
A new playmate! It's been so long.
Oh my gosh! What is that thing?!
Oh, where are you going?
Shit! I have to get out of here. Damn it! Crap! Dad! Shit!
Oh, goody! Come to mommy. Hey, wait a minute. You're not one of them, are you?
Huh?
Sorry, I said you're not one of these workers?
No.
Oh, I'm so sorry. It's okay. I'm not gonna eat you. Calm down, sweetie. I won't hurt you.
Really?
I promise, cutie pie.
Okay.
Come on, come with me.
Where are we going?
To the game station from where you were going before.
Oh, okay.
All right. So what's your name?
I'm Andrew.
Nice to meet you, Andrew. I've never seen anyone in this factory for so long.
Well, I came here to this factory due to my stupidity.
Oh, don't say that.
Sorry, I always have self-doubts.
We're here.
Whoa, this place is huge.
Yeah, it is.
It has playgrounds, a train, and, where are those three?
Oh, there are games. Musical memory, wacka-wuggy, and statues.
Huh, cool.
Do you want to play? And I'll watch you accomplish it.
Well,
Come on, it'll be fun, please.
okay, I'll do it.
Hooray! Let's go! It'll be just like old times.
Whoa, okay, I'm going.
You're so funny when you speak like that.
Thanks.
Alright, let's play statues. I think most children prefer that game over the others because it was so much fun without the memory or reaction part. The running around.
Huh.
Here we are.
Whoa! This place is huge!
Yeah, I know. Ready to play?
Okay.
Alright, I'll be following you, and you'll be the runner until you reach the end.
Okay.
Great! Let's begin. You get a head start.
Okay. Phew. These obstacles are really tough to manage.
I'm coming to get you, sweetie pie.
Oh boy. Almost there. I can do this.
I'm on your tail.
Yes!
Congratulations! I'm so proud of you.
Thanks. I think I need a break. Sorry.
Oh, it's okay though. Pretty understandable. Wanna head back to the station?
Sure.
It's fun playing with you, isn't it?
Yeah. It sure has.
Great!
I'll be sitting on that bench over there.
Okay, sweetie.
Oh. A drawing of a child and her. Mommy knows best. I love you, Mommy. Huh. Ah. If she likes children like a mother figure, then why is she chasing me before she spared me? Hey, Mommy?
Yes, what is it, sweetie?
Why did you try to get me even though you spared me? But you said something like you're not one of them. What do you mean I'm not one of them?
Oh. Well. I don't want to tell you this, but they used to be workers. Or scientists in the game station and the entire factory.
Why are there scientists here?
They are monitoring orphan children.
Wait. They are orphan children here?
Yes. They come here for games to play and learn while the scientists study them one by one. After the 3 games, they all left and never came back. Mommy didn't deserve that. I feel so alone, and that's what I found out. I found out what the scientists were doing to those kids. I thought I could save them, but it would have overpowered me. These people who worked here were not good people at... Ugh. Sorry, I'm just so upset and angry to think about that. I can't tell you more, but you see why.
Oh my gosh. Now I understand why.
Do you think I scared you, sweetie?
Well, no offense, but at first, yes. Then it was somewhat uncomfortable.
Oh,
But hey, don't blame or feel bad about yourself for what happened. I understand that. I guess right now you're not alone.
Thank you, Andrew.
No problem.
Okay, I have a question for you. Why did you go to the abandoned factory?
Well, I think I said before of how I got here due to my stupidity, but also my curiosity. I was out exploring and I found the abandoned factory. I couldn't stop feeling that I wanted to go in there. But I did, and here we are.
Oh, okay. I see.
Look, if you don't want to be alone and I have nowhere else to go, I can stay here with you to keep you company if you want.
I love that, sweetie. Thank you. Want to play one more game?
Okay, just one more, cause it's getting dark outside.
Hooray! How about hide and seek?
Okay, but try not to scare me again, okay?
Mommy's promise.
Okay, good.
That was fun!
Yeah, even though there are dark places in the factory which scares me.
Aw, it's okay. Mommy's here.
Thanks. So, where are we going?
We're going to my resting place. We'll sleep here for the night.
Okay.
Here we are.
Whoa. It sure has a lot of webs.
I hope you don't mind.
As long as you know.
Yeah, I know.
Oof. Whoa. These web-like hamsters are kinda sticky.
Hope this makes you comfortable.
Well, it is comfortable.
You okay, sweetie?
Yeah, I'm fine. Oh!
You look really cute. I just want to hug you.